Hello friends, last week I done a video regarding G20 summit and regarding from the next few months which stocks are going to benefit, and that looks very promising. And coming to after G20 summit, what are the stocks going to benefit? So in that way I am going to discuss, and I went to recently few of my friends about profit booking on RVNL after G20 summit immediate day if they hit upper circuit. So RVNL given like almost 12-14%, but it given it doesn't hit upper circuit, but IRFC hits upper circuit, but next day it went into selling. So how I explained those things, and what are the things I look behind them. Uh, Compared to normal investors, I am going to explain you in this video. And friends, come to the discussion of G20 summit. So the major highlights for the summit is, so economic corridor, like India to Europe. By connecting Middle East, there is a railway project and like marine development also, like shipbuilding. Okay, next thing is renewable energy sector, where US and India combinedly giving like almost $1 billion, I think. uh, So these two come together and join hands on G20 summit to give a extraordinary feeling. See here, $1 billion funding. So it is only by US and India. And the next thing is Saudi Arabia individually taken some steps to provide some support, like a relationship. See here, India and Saudi Arabia build on corridor strategic ties in which they are planned with renewables as the major thing. See here, so India and Saudi close historic enhancement in energy sector. So this is, see here, countries in renewable energy, energy efficiency, hydrogen and electricity. So going forward, in the past videos also I mentioned Saudi Arabia is like a fuel, like they have like crude as their important source of income. So going forward, like peoples and other countries are keeping like people need to move from normal combustions to like electric vehicles or hydrogen. So at that time this Saudi Arabia country lose their economy, right? So due to that they are diversifying their income streams, and they are looking for renewable energy and hydrogen as other alternatives, and chip building also, like chip manufacturing companies also they are looking, and this is how they are working for. And see here, India Saudi to link power grids using subsea. Why? Because if you see the map of this country, so this country is very attractive. That means so very close to India, but it needs some movement. Like wait a minute, I will zoom it and I will see. This is India, right? So you are going to see Saudi at this position. See, this is the position where you are going to see Saudi Arabia and Gulf. So by transmission means they need to cover these all those area. But if you go underground, that means under sea. So this is the area where they will look for the expansion. So this is the area, and this is the area where they join their line. So there is a minimal distance to cover by these two areas. So this is the huge uh, cost oriented, but this is very less, right? So this is another work which that Saudi Arabia and India signed. So major economic corridor of railways and energy strengths, so this is second one. And underground cable like sea cables, so this is the third one which these companies given boost for the companies. And the next one is biofuels. So India G20 summit biofuel alliance. So India G20 summit biofuel. So this is like a very good one, like biofuel things like to decrease carbon emission towards uh, bad for ozone layer. So India makes clean energy push with global biofuel alliance. Normally, this is good up to India only, where India planning to mix like ethanol fuel in petrol to give like carbon free. Little bit they will decrease the emissions of carbons to take neutral steps for the carbon emission. But now what happens means India taken this step to global. So due to that the area of market is increased. So we can expect like good benefit for a few companies which are working under this segment in India. So friends, this is where we are looking. And friends, I mentioned every time we need to look for a global perspective, like a future scope on the companies, and we need to invest here. And another thing where we need to observe is what are the government policies which are working for future betterment. So these two segments you need to look and you need to take action on them, and you need to invest on them. So going forward, where you need to invest on these things is I am going to explain you in detail on every thing. So first one is like so Reliance Industries. So you don't bother about it, everyone will tell Reliance Industries. But friends, definitely Reliance Industries is going to be a cash cow in coming days because of its oil and because of its new developments on renewable energy side and hydrogen. They are planning to come with a sodium ion battery also. Normally lithium ion battery is going on, right? But Reliance is working on sodium ion battery also, which is a very very good one. And the Reliance stock is not going to fall below 2400. This is my personal view. If it goes 2400 below, it's an extraordinary opportunity to accumulate the stock. And which are the segments covered by this company, right? So in this company, sea cable business will done by Reliance Industries. And next one, Tata Communications will do that business. And renewable energy hydrogen production by this company. And going forward, like lithium battery, right? The alternative is sodium ion batteries, that is also in this what you call development stage from Reliance Industries. So these are the segments Reliance Industries is going to benefit. So next one is renewable energies, and in the same way of transmission also, power transmission. We are going to see Adani Enterprises and Adani Green Energy. So see here, so Adani Enterprises. So some negative newses are there in these companies, but friends, still I hope they will far away. They will go away in coming days. But if you observe here, this is like candle daily candlestick pattern which you are looking. So after a huge fall, so many added in this lower ranges. So it is good, right? So my view is right, friends. Somehow they are entering at a good businesses. So future scope is very good for this. So we are going to see how it will coming forward. And next thing is Adani Green. Okay, this is for renewable energies. So see here, So the stocks very high is 2500, 3000, I think so. But I hope the stock is moving with a small negative newses, like it is going down, but company business is very very good. And Adani Transmission Energy Solution, the name changed to Adani Energy Solution. So this one is very very good one for transmission point of view. So this is the stock. So this one, so this is also very very good stock. And JSW Energy, so this one, so this stock is very good. So recently it given a huge up move. So you can enter near 300 to 350, 340. So this is the zone you can enter. So no problem, you can take your position at this area, 300 to 340. And under this Tata Power also is going to benefit on renewable energy side. So like Tata Power, so this one. And friends, please look this video on 1.5x, friends. So see video in 1.5x. Okay. Next, going forward, you are going to see Tata Power is okay. Next one is like another power stock which I am going to discuss is and power expensive NTPC. So NTPC is also going to benefit under this. So this one, okay. So stock little given upward movement, but go in sip in NTPC. So we didn't know when it will move very high. So NTPC is another good one. And next, coming to this rail projects, so there are multiple companies which works on that segment. So railway, by looking on this economic corridor of this India, Middle East, Europe connectivity through rail network is very very big opportunity for steel companies and for aluminum companies, like copper wiring is very very important for the connectivity. Electrical lines are there, they use like copper wiring. And next thing is like steel for track purpose. So this is also we're going to be a very very benefit. And next one, infrastructure, cement companies. But overall, which companies are working on their projects? So projects means one company which is like RVNL. So this is the company which works on railway projects. So this is the company. But friends, one thing I want to tell you is, so the company stock even before, I think this news from so many days maybe outside. So this is the volumes which you get at when stock is at 40. This is a breakout happened. From here it never looked back and continuously it moves until 200 rupees. See here, it moved and it moved and it moved until 200 rupees. Now the selling came. So see here, the selling, so it's an extraordinary selling which is going on. And friends, how and when to enter? So this is one retracement, right? So whenever you are missed a rally, look for a retracement. So this is a rally which happened an extraordinary way. So what you need to do means you need to calculate the Fibonacci retracement level under this. So first of all, see here, so this is the rally, right? So this is a long rally in which you have like a swing is here. So you need to take a swing of this. So whenever you taken a swing of this, so you are going to look for, see, so this is the one which you can see the swings. So see here, exactly at 60 level you can get a buying opportunity. So this is the 60 level. And see here, this is a buying opportunity you have. So this is what we can expect the up move. So like this you need to see this Fibonacci retracement for entries, other entries. So now what happens, this is the rally given by these companies. See here, when you take this swing, so this is the opportunity for you, and again this is the swing which given an up move, right? You need to take from here, so up until how much it will fall. So if you take the retracement, so you are going to benefit when you can enter at 150 level. So this is a good level to enter. Or if you are going to add another level, next you can wait for this low. So without in between you don't add the stock. So this is how you need to enter. And friends, one thing I want to mention is, so until now there is something. That is the reason stock moved upside. I hope the stock will enter even this level also. Why? Because a huge people will offloaded their number of shares in this company from here. Why? Because it is not a small project, it is very big project which needs multiple years or decades. So even the same type of project done by what you call China also in past in 2013, they are expecting that one will going to complete almost 2040. So for that you can expect how much how far we are, and how much time it will take for us. So that's the reason, friends, I am telling you they will take more time. So that's the reason you can look for small tranches addition, not for a huge lump sum amount in RVNL and all those things. Next one is IRFC, which is like financing Indian Railway Finance Corporation. If the project okays by Indian government and other countries, this company need to finance the project. But friends, if you look for this, so recently from July itself it went from 30 to 90 rupees. And if you see the volumes, so offloaded by huge people at this level at 90 prices. So this is like a major offloading happened. The volumes here is lesser than this. That means more people taken offloaded in IRFC. So I can expect stock will reach even 50 rupees also. There you can take a possible entry in IRFC. And the next one is like IRCON International. So IRCON International. This is also I think this is also construction company. IRCON. IRCON International is a government undertaking company. Yes, see here, Indian Engineering, Construction and Corporation. So this is also like construction and all those things. So friends, rally already happened and big players already taken profits. Don't hurry in these stocks. Let cool them and let it take first negative, and one swing will come, and again next negative will come, then the cool off will happens, then you can take entries on these companies will be fine. And even you can enter at this level also is good. I hope you understand my intentions. Don't hurry on this. So already something big is there. That big went out, opened up, a news came outside. And if you see the huge booking at this position, so this is how volume analysis also benefits for you, friends. And the next one is rights, RITS. Okay, RITS. So see here, Rail India Technical and Economic Service Limited, and this is also like a service company for this railway technical point of view. So okay, and this company also given good rally in recently. So this one also going to benefit. But one thing is, total project not done by India. I hope India to Saudi will be Indian hands. So remaining all things will be on another players. Okay, and this is a very good one on a technical point of view. But I need a huge cool off on these companies. then only you need to enter. Okay. And the next thing is, next stocks is like, what you want to say, mm, wheel companies are also there, but need to look where we are these companies are getting, or they are who are manufacturing their own wheels. And the next one is railtel. So railway station developments and internet connectivity, so this company is also going to benefit under this. So this is also looking some huge under selling pressure, right? So this is the major reasons, friends. And the next one is, I am looking the companies, so these are completed on biofuels. All sugar manufacturing companies can produce ethanol, so there is no alternative companies will produce. But first of all, what they need is they need to develop their infrastructure, right? So other countries doors open for India, because with G20 biofuel alliance, right? The production of these equipments done by Praj, okay, biofuels and all those things, Praj Industries. So see here, this company works on that segment, friends. I hope you understand this stock is going to benefit very, very good in that area. So maybe some pullbacks, or you can take in SIP also. ISG, see, ISEG Heavy Limited. So this company also works in the same segment. So due to that, an up move and again profit booking going on. So these two companies, and Thermax Limited. So this one also going to benefit in that segment. So these three companies are going to benefit in that segment. So this is a total video which covers about a G20 summit, and what are the steps that Indian government and throughout the globe are taken in that G20 summit, which are the companies benefited in India point of view. That means if the works and all those things comes to India, so Indian companies somewhat benefited. Sorry, friends. And friends, if you like our video, please share this video. Thank you. Thank you very much.